Large language models perform trillions of calculations per second, but text generation remains a sluggish output compared to the raw power available. Text generation is strictly autoregressive, requiring each token to be fully processed and locked in before the next one can begin. To generate "the Eiffel Tower is located in Paris," the model produces the first token, feeds it back into the start of the network, and runs the entire process again for the second token. This delay does not originate in the mathematical operations of the neural network. The true constraint is the sequential dependency inherent in the architecture. Inside the GPU, every forward pass requires the model's parameters to travel from memory to the processing cores. In a 70 billion parameter model, the hardware must load 70 billion weights to compute just one token. For a sequence of 100 tokens, the GPU repeats this massive memory load exactly 100 times. This creates a memory bandwidth bottleneck, where the processor spends the majority of its time waiting for data to arrive from VRAM. Bypassing this bottleneck requires changing the sequence in which the GPU requests data. Speculative decoding solves this by separating the task of predicting text from the task of finalizing it. The architecture pairs a massive target model with a fast, low-parameter draft model. The draft model predicts a multi-token sequence all at once, avoiding the heavy memory loads that throttle the large model. The target model then evaluates that entire sequence in parallel. Evaluating a batch of tokens in a single pass requires only one loading of the model weights. This converts inference from a sequential generation task into a highly parallelized verification task. The system must then decide how to handle the work produced by the draft model. The target model compares the drafted tokens against the probability distribution it would have used if it were generating them itself. If every drafted token matches the target model's internal logic, the generation sequence advances by the full block length instantly. If the target model agrees with only the first few tokens, it rejects the discrepancy and discards the remainder of the draft. During that same verification pass, the target model automatically generates the correct replacement token for the first point of failure. The central metric here is the acceptance rate, which tracks the percentage of drafted tokens that survive the verification process. Even when the draft model is wrong, the system maintains forward momentum without wasting compute cycles. Using a smaller, less accurate model as a drafter might seem like a compromise on quality. Speculative decoding maintains the exact mathematical probability distribution of the target model. The system manages the draft model distribution, Q of x, and the target model distribution, P of x, as two distinct datasets. A rejection sampling equation ensures that the target model only accepts tokens that align with its own statistical profile. This correction forces the draft tokens to conform flawlessly to the large model's logic. The final output retains the same accuracy, the same randomness, and sampling behavior as standard decoding. Speed increases without any corresponding sacrifice in intelligence. A major inefficiency remains in keeping two completely separate models in memory at once. Self-speculative decoding uses the early layers of a model to draft and the full depth to verify. Medusa avoids a separate drafting sequence by adding multiple prediction heads directly to the primary model, forecasting several future tokens instantly. Eagle takes this further by forecasting internal transformer representations rather than literal text. Predicting these smoother, hidden states yields higher acceptance rates with lower computational overhead. These advancements focus on generating the most accurate forward projections while maintaining a minimal memory footprint. The math of this shift is clear. 100 sequential passes at 100 milliseconds each take 10 seconds. Using 20 batched verifications, that same sequence finishes in just over 2 seconds. These theoretical gains translate directly to real-world consumer hardware. Inference frameworks like VLLM and llama.cpp often jump from 15 tokens per second to 45 tokens per second using speculative decoding. This acceleration occurs without physical hardware upgrades or any changes to the statistical integrity of the 70 billion parameter model. Verifying data in parallel provides a constant, powerful shortcut through the fundamental bottleneck of autoregressive sequential text generation. Speculative decoding converts the serial nature of inference into a parallel verification process, reducing the time cost of large-scale model outputs.